Scottie.
So,
Good morning.
I'm still coughing my brains out from last night, but whatever.
That's okay.
So,
You don't have any brains to cough out.
shh. People think I'm intelligent.
I thought that was impotent.
I don't have a suit on.
That's important.
I still don't have a suit on.
Oh, I got a joke.
After. So,
Oh, man.
this is one thing that Bobby hates when I do it, but I normally prove myself right.
I don't hate when you do it.
It takes time.
Yeah.
And I get it. You know, we've got to be responsible with everything that we do, but I try to save money everywhere I can, which is what you like more than anything. So, I call this my magic juice because it literally is magic juice. I had some stuff.
It's not the magic stick, though.
Correct. No, not the magic stick.
That's
That's from Magic Mike.
That's after hours.
Those are some things I did for me to keep.
Yeah.
So we all know how rusty
And gross.
and nasty these were when I put them in.
Yes.
They are the brake caliper brackets.
Yes.
You guys ready?
Oh, my. Bring that. Roll that beautiful bean footage. Wow.
Look at that.
It is definitely clean. And
No more rust.
It's actually
And it
iron.
took all the
Rubber out.
rubber with it.
Nice. Now we got to undo those tabby tabs, and then we can clean those hardware. Oh, that's nice. We have new ones of those.
Yeah. But I mean,
Look at
it's...
that.
We would have been there with a wire wheel and a brush for God knows how long to get
Yeah,
these
so
back.
you just throw it in, work on something else, and come back later.
And I mean...
Yeah, I mean, that's even halfway decent. Not that we're
I'll
going to
rinse those off.
Ooh. But wait, there's more.
There is. There's a lot more.
Ooh, what are we pulling out of the box? Ooh, the other one.
Yep.
Wow.
I mean, just everything's
Right.
gone. It saves us so much time on having to get these things cleaned up and ready to go. Because I want to keep this car as original as possible.
Yes. It's a mechanical restoration, not a... Wow.
I love this stuff, dude.
Look at that. There's more stuff to put in the magic juice, too. There's a whole nother load.
Yeah, we got to get more stuff. We're running low. But I mean, look at that. These were nasty. Completely rusted. So now I'll just scrub them up. Clean them up really, really good. Hit them with a coat of black. And you'll never know the difference. I love that stuff. It's so good. I don't think I put anything else in there.
Wow.
Oh, God. That's crunchy stuff. There's the rust.
It just falls off in sheets. Look
Yeah.
at that. Hold on, let me zoom in on it.
Here, I'll bring it out.
Pulling out.
That's rust. It turns it green.
That's amazing. All right.
So now that I can go back to touching things,
You like to touch things.
I do. And I've been told I'm pretty good at it.
When Scotty thinks about you, he touches himself. Or however that song goes.
I don't remember, dude.
Can I tell my joke now?
Yes, you can tell your joke. Be careful.
It's an appropriate joke.
Okay, fair enough. 2 pigs fell in the mud, 3 came out.
No.
Damn. Okay, what is it?
You know what the definition of apprehensive means?
Apprehensive. Pretty much.
Scared with a college education.
Oh, God. That's good. I like that. Like, legitimately.
That's from the Three Stooges. My dad used to say that one all the time. And with that,
As I'm hacking my brains out.
we'll bid you adieu for a while.